Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in 3-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get 2 videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 7 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 7, Video Part 3. Okay. The ratio of the volume of two cubes is 1331 is to 1728. What is the ratio of their total surface area? So let the volume of the first cube is V1 and volume of the second cube is V2. Its ratio is given 1331 upon 1728. We know that volume of the cube is side cube. Okay, cube of the side. So let the side of the cube, first cube is A1. So it will be AQ upon A2. It will be A2 cube equal to 1331 can be written as the cube of 11 and 1728 is written as the cube of 12. So in this way, if we just check A1 upon A2 whole cube equal to 11 upon 12 whole cube. By comparing both the side and using the exponents law, we can say A1 by A2 equal to 11 by 2. Since exponents are same, so that's why basis will be same. Okay, now we have to find the ratio of the total surface area. So let A1 is the surface area of the first cube and A2 is the surface area of the second cube. And we know that the surface area of the cube is 4A1 square upon it is 6A1. That is the literal surface area actually. 6A1 square upon 6A2 square. We have to find the total surface area. Okay. So 6 will be cancelled out. A1 upon A2 whole square. And from here we can say A1 by A2 equal to 11 by 12. It's whole square. So we can say 1 to 1, 11 11s are 1 to 1 is 2, 12 12s are 1 4 4. So ratio of the total surface area of both the cube will be 121 is to 144. That is in the option number C. The 29th answer is option C. Okay. Come to question number 30. A wire is in the form of a square of side 26 meter. Okay, it is bent in the form of rectangle whose length and breadth are in the ratio of 2:1. What is the area of the rectangle so formed? Actually, wire is in the form of the square, okay, whose side is 26 centimeter. Since the same wire is used to make the rectangle, so we can say perimeter of the square will be equal to perimeter of the rectangle. Okay. So what will be the perimeter of the square? I am writing PS for the perimeter of the square. So that will be your 4 multiplied by 26. That is your 104 meter. And the ratio of the length and breadth of the rectangle is given 2:1. If x is the common factor of this ratio, then length will be equal to 2x and breadth will be equal to only x. So perimeter of rectangle will be equal to 2 into 2x plus x, that is your 6x. And since same wire is used to make, so that's why it should be equal to 104. So this implies x equal to 104 by 6. That is your 6 1 just 6, and then 4 to 4 6 7. No, it will come in the decimal. So let's be with the fraction only, as answer is given in the fraction. Okay, x equal to this, so L equal to, from here we can just write in this way, L equal to 104, 2 into 104 by 6. Okay, so this implies your 2 3s are 6, so 104 by 3, and b is equal to x only, so that will be your 104 by 6. We have to find the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle will be equal to length multiplied by breadth, that is your 104 by 3 multiply by 104 by 6. So we can just do 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are, 2 2s are. 104 multiply by 52, that will come 5408 upon 3 3s are 9. It can be written as 608 by 9 meter square. It is in the option number C. So 30 answer will be option C. Okay. Come to question number 31. A circle is inscribed in a square of side 18 centimeter. Okay. The ratio of the area of the circle to that of the square. So here I am just making a square. Wait, for better understanding it, just make a square, make one circle inside it. Okay, this is the circle inside it. Actually, I want to just wait. I'm making the one. I'm trying to make it one more time so that this circle is inside it. Here you can see the diameter of the circle is equal to the side of the square. Okay, and its side is given 18 centimeter. So we have to just find the ratio of the area of the circle. Okay, AC upon AS, area of the square. AC we know that pi r square. So that will be your pi r is your 18 upon 2. Radius is the half of the diameter. So that is your 9 square. So 9 multiply by 9 upon AS. AS is the square of area of the square. That will be your 18 multiply by 18. Okay. So 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. In this way, we can say pi is to 2 2s are 4. That is in the option number B. So 31 answer will be option B. Okay. Come to question number 32. The minute hand of a clock is 21 centimeter long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 45 minutes? So let's make a circle here to understand this question. I am making the minute hand only. So if minute hand is making 45 minutes, here it is 12, here it is 3, it is 6, and it is 9. It means minute hand started from this point and reached to this point. Okay? Started from this point and reached to this point. So in this way, we can say the minute hand traveled the 3/4 part of the total distance. The total distance is from here to here. It means it is the circumference. Distance traveled by or covered by the tip of the minute hand. The tip of the minute hand will be your, what is the total distance? So 3 by 4 of 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. It means 3 by 4 into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius will be the length of the minute hand. That is your 21. So 7 3s are 21, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 11 3s are 33, 33 3s are 99 centimeter. It is in the option number A. The 32nd answer is option A. Come to question number 33. Find the volume of the solid as shown below. Actually, there are two cuboid, one big cuboid and one small cuboid. Here you can see one big cuboid and one small cuboid. The volume of the total solid will be the volume of the big cuboid plus volume of the small cuboid. So here we can write volume of solid equal to volume of small cuboid plus volume of big cuboid. Volume of small cuboid is your, since it is the width is given 8 and height is given 8, okay, and what is not given here? So this length is not given here. Okay, so this length is given, this length is not given. So this length will be your, since we know, it is already given, that is 8. 8 given this side, 8 given this side, 8 given this side. So it is not the cuboid. You can say it as the cube. So it will be your 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8 plus big cuboid. Height is 16. Okay. Width is your, here it is 8 and here it is 12. So from here to here it will be 12. So 12 plus 8, 20. So 16 multiply by 20 and multiply by its this dimension. So this dimension will be equal to this dimension. So that is your 8. Okay. So here it will be your 512 plus 2560. After adding this two, you will get 3072 meter square. It is in the option number C. The 33rd answer is option C. Okay. Come to question number 34. If the diameter of a circle is doubled to the diagonal of a square, then find the ratio of their areas. So first find, first I'm just making a square. And consider it as a square. Actually, it looks like the rectangle. So just take it as the square only. This is your A. This is your A side of the square. So according to the Pythagorean triplet, we know that the diagonal of the square will be A root 2. Okay. It should be your A root 2. Okay. Now, what is the area of the small square? That is your A square. Okay. And the diagonal is given, D is given, it is diagonal, I'm writing diagonal, otherwise you will confuse it as the diameter. Diagonal is A root 2. So if the diameter is doubled, so diameter will be 2 root 2A. Okay, 2 root 2A. So area of the circle will be pi by 4 d square. D is the diameter here. So that is your pi by 4 d square means 2 2s are 4 multiply by 2 multiply by A square. 4 cancel, okay, and it is your 2 pi a square. Now we have to find the ratio of the first. We will just write as upon AC. So it is your as is a square upon 2 pi a square. A square cancel out, and here pi's value is 22 upon 7. So it means 7 upon 2 into 22, that is your 44. So 7 is to 44. But what the question is asking? Question is asking is circle is double to the square. So first, okay. Question is asking for AC, means area of the circle upon area of the square. So that is your 44 is to 7. It is in the option number B. So 34th answer is option B. Okay. Come to the question number 35. The parallel sides of an isosceles trapezium ABCD are 14 and 8 meter. Okay. Also, the distance between them is 6 meter. AM, it should be capital, I think, and BN are the perpendicular drawn to the CD. Find the ratio of the area of the trapezium ABCD to the area ADM. Okay. So let's make an for better understanding, just make a trapezium. This line. One more line here, one line will be here, and there is a base. ठीक है, A, B, C, D it is, and AM is parallel to this, BN is parallel to this. Okay, this is your N, this is your N. It is given. The sides are given. It is your 8 meter, and the big side is given your 14 meter. Okay, and this distance is given 6 meter. Okay, okay. So area of the, we have to find the ratio of the area of the trapezium ABCD and area of ADM. This one. Okay. And it is an isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium means this area should be equal to this area. So it is 8 meter. So it means it should be also 8 meter from here to here. So 14 minus 8, 6. So 6 upon 2. It means this should be 3. This should be 3. Okay. Now area of the trapezium, we know that area of the trapezium is half into sum of the parallel sides, that is your 8 plus 14, okay, multiply by the distance between the parallel side, that is your 6 meter. So after solving, 1 by 2 multiply by 22 multiply by 6, so 2 3s are 6, 22 3s are 66 meter square. Okay, and area of triangle ADM, it will be your half into base into height. 2 3s are 6. That is your 9 meter square. Okay. Now ratio of area of the trapezium upon area of the triangle. So that is your 66 by 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 3 2s are. That is your 22 is to 3. It is in the option number A. So 35th answer will be option A. Okay. Come to question number 36. Find the area of the shaded portion in the following figure. So to find the area of this shaded portion, what we will do? First, we will find the area of this complete circle. Actually, this is the semicircle. This is the semicircle. When you just take and mix it, it will make a complete circle. Okay? And then we will find the area of this rectangle, and then the big rectangle, after finding the area of the big rectangle, we will just subtract the area of the circle and the extra rectangle here. Okay. Okay. So first find the area of the big rectangle. Area of big rectangle. Big rectangle. That is your 22 multiplied by 14, length into breadth. Okay. So 22 multiplied by breadth, that will be your 308. 308 meter square. Okay. Now area of the circle. Area of circle made up with the two semicircle. So that is your pi by 4 d square. Okay. If the diameter is given, diameter is 14 meter here. It is your pi by 4 into 14 into 14. So 2 sevens are and 2 twos are 2 sevens are. Pi value is 22 by 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. 7 cancel out. This is your 154 meter square. Now area of this small rectangle. अब इस small rectangle का area निकालने के लिए what we will do, actually the diameter of this, diameter of the circle, it will be your half of the circle radius of the circle. It is the half of the diameter. So here it is 7 and from here to here it is 7. So 7 plus 7, 14. So 22 minus 14 will be this length. So 22 minus 14 अगर आप करेंगे तो you will get 8. ठीक है, 8. So area of small rectangle, area of small rectangle equal to 8 width हो गया आपका and length will be 14 only. ठीक है, so that is your 112 meter square. Okay. Now area of the shaded part, that we require. Area of shaded part. Area of shaded part क्या हो जाएगा? Area of the big rectangle 308 minus area of the circle, that is your 154, minus area of the unshaded rectangle 112. When you just subtract it, so you will get 42 meter square. Okay, it is here in the option number D. 36th answer is option D. Come to the question number 37. The angle of a sector of circle is 126 degree and the radius of the circle is 21 centimeter. Find the ratio of the circumference of the circle and the length of the arc of the sector. ठीक है, तो पहले हमें circumference का लेंथ निकालना है. तो for better understanding, first make a circle. Wait, let me make it again. So it is not converted. So make a circle. ठीक है. So what is the sector? Sector is when two lines, two radius are there, then this is known as sector. So actually angle is given 126 degree. So this angle is suppose 126 degree. ठीक है. So we know that, देखो, the circumference of the complete circle is 2 pi r. So means here we can write when angle is equal to 360 degree, so circumference is 2 pi r. So if angle is 1 degree, so circumference will be 2 pi r upon 360 degree. If angle is 120 degree, sorry, if angle is 126 degree, 26 degree, so circumference will be your 2 pi r upon 360 multiplied by 126. Okay. So after simplification, r is given 21. तो just I am writing here 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 126 by 360, and it is your 7 3s are 3 12s are and 2 60s are, फिर ये 2 से हो जाएगा 2 11s are and 2 30s are, फिर ये हो जाएगा 15s are and 2 6s are 2 3s are. तो 63 multiply by 11 upon 15. अच्छा, one more time we can do. 3 से कर लो इसको. 3 2s are 3 1s are and 3 5s are. ठीक है, तो it will be your 21 multiply by 11, that is your 231 by 5 centimeter. ठीक है, तो this is the circumference we found. Now length of the length of the arc means this part of the circumference, that is your 231 by 5 centimeter. We have to find the ratio of the circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle will be 2 pi r. To complete circumference, just find out here. C equal to 2 pi r, that is your 2 into 22 by 7 into 21. So 7 3s are 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 130, 32 centimeter. ठीक है, और if you just convert it as the decimal, तो it will be your 46.2 centimeter. ठीक है, now we have to just find the ratio. अब हमें इसका रेशियो निकालना है, तो to find the ratio I am writing here ratio equal to हो जाएगा आपका circumference of the circle, that is your 132, and the circumference of the arc, that is your 46.2. If you just simplify, so you will get 20:7. 20:7, but in the option it is given that 220:77. So if you just multiply it with 11, so it will be your 11 2s are 222. So 220 and 11 7s are 77. So we can go with the option A. The 37th answer is option A. Okay. Come to the question number 38. Which one of the following statement is incorrect? Okay. The total surface area of a cube of age root 15 is 90 centimeter square. So let's check the A. Total surface area of a cube is equal to 6A square. So A is given root 15, so that is your 6 multiplied by 15. Okay, root 15 ka square is 15 only. So that is your 90 centimeter square. So it is correct. Come to the option B. The lateral surface area of a circle whose volume is this meter cube is given. And I think here circle is misprint, it should be cube. Circle is misprint, here it should be cube. Okay, so come to the option B. Lateral surface area have to find, and it is given. So volume of a cube is equal to A cube, that is your 343, and we can write as 343 as 7's cube. So this implies A equal to 7. So surface area of the cube, lateral surface area of the cube is 4A square. So that is your 4 multiplied by 7 7s are 49. So it is your 196 centimeter square. It is also true. Come to the option number C. If the diagonal of a square is root 15, then area will be this. So diagonal of the square is given as A root 2. That is given as root 15. So A equal to 15 by 2 under root. So area of the square will be equal to A square. तो A square हो जाएगा आपका 15 by 2 under root का square, that is your 15 by 2. ठीक है, but it is saying it should be 6 centimeter square. It is saying it is 6 centimeter square. So area is 6 centimeter square. Okay. Now you can check the option D also. The area of the ring whose inner and outer radii is this. So D option, when we just take area of the ring, area of rings formula is pi r2 square minus r1 square. r2 क्या है आपका यहाँ पे द आउटर रेडियस एंड r1 इज द इनर रेडियस. तो ये हो गया आपका 22/7. r2 स्क्वायर हो गया 21 का स्क्वायर माइनस 14 का स्क्वायर. ठीक है. तो it will come as your 35 into 7 using the identity a square minus b square. So 7 5s are 35 and 7 5s are 35 and 35 22s are. So if you just check 35 multiply by 22, you will get 770 centimeter square. But in the question, it is given as 670 centimeter square. Here we can see two options are coming incorrect. Two options are coming incorrect. So I think there is some error in this question only, as two options cannot be incorrect. So I think there should be, we have to choose the correct option, because there are so many typo in this question. It is a circle, cube is written as circle, and here if we just consider it, so it is not coming as the 6 centimeter square. So we either you can just make the question as the correct option, choose the correct option, then we will go with the option A. Okay. Otherwise, you just learn the question, why this question is just given wrong. Why you can say this question is given wrong. That's why I have explained all the options here. Okay. So there is no answer for this question number 38. Okay. Come to question number 39. In the figure shown below, PQRS is a rectangle such that QM is given your 12 meter, MR 12 मीटर, यहाँ से यहाँ आपका 12 मीटर दिया हुआ है, MR 16 सेंटीमीटर एंड TS दिया हुआ है 20 सेंटीमीटर, MU 9 सेंटीमीटर, UM तो is perpendicular to QR. Okay. And RS is equal to half PS. ठीक है. To find the area of the shaded portion. So to find the area of the shaded portion, what we will do? We will first find the area of the complete PQRS rectangle. Then we find the area of this trapezium, and then find the area of this rectangle and subtract from the complete rectangle. ठीक है. So start. First find the area of the big rectangle. I'm writing here area of area of rectangle. So we can write it as AR equal to length of the rectangle is 12 plus 16. Okay. So 12 plus 16, that is your 28 multiply by PQ equal to RS. ठीक. और it is given that here it is देखो 9 सेंटीमीटर, RS आपका दिया हुआ है, RS ये वाली लेंथ दी भी नहीं है, but here it is given 9 सेंटीमीटर and it is given that RS equal to half PS. तो PS कहाँ दिया हुआ है आपका, PS this one, ये यहां से यहां तक है आपका PS, एंड इट इज योर 12 plus 16 तो 28. ठीक है. PS इक्वल टू QR, दैट इज योर 28. तो RS हो जाएगा हाफ PS मीन्स 14. तो 28 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 14, दैट इज योर 392. ठीक है. 392 सेंटीमीटर है ना ये सारा. हाँ. तो सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. एरिया ऑफ द बिग रेक्टेंगल वी हैव फाउंड ऑलरेडी. ओके. नाउ एरिया ऑफ द ट्रेपेजियम, तो एरिया ऑफ द ट्रेपेजियम क्या हो जाएगा आपका, हाफ इंटू सम ऑफ द पैरेलल साइड्स, दिस साइड प्लस दिस साइड. So this side RS we already know 14 centimeter and the smaller one it is given 9 centimeter. Multiply by the length between the parallel sides, that is your 16 centimeter. After simplification 14 plus 9 it will be your 23. So 23 and 2 8s are 16. So 23 multiplied by 8 equal to 184 cm square. And area of the triangle, area of the triangle ये हो जाएगा आपका हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. तो बेस क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ से PT, PT will be your 28 minus 20, 28 minus 20, ठीक है. मल्टीप्लाई बाय PQ, PQ है आपका 14. So it is your half into 8 into 14, 2 4s are 8, now 56 centimeter. So area of shaded part, area of shaded part ये हो जाएगा आपका सीधा इक्वल टू 392 minus 184 minus 56. That is your 392 minus 240, that is 152 centimeter square. It is in the option number. The 39th answer is option D. Question number 40. Two right circular cylinder of equal volume have their heights in the ratio 1:3. The ratio of their radii is. So volume is given same and we have to just find the ratio of their radii, ठीक है, and ratio of the height is given. So we know that volume of a cylinder is pi r square h, ठीक है, h यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है 1:3 रेशियो में. तो we can just write volume of first cylinder upon volume of second cylinder equal to pi r1 का स्क्वायर इंटू फर्स्ट सिलेंडर की हाइट हो गई हमारी h अपॉन पाई r2 का स्क्वायर, सेकेंड सिलेंडर की हाइट हो जाएगी हमारी 3h, ठीक है, एंड वॉल्यूम अपॉन वॉल्यूम दैट इज 1 मींस इट इज कैंसिल आउट. तो वी कैन जस्ट कैंसिल आउट दिस 2, पाई पाई कैंसिल आउट, h कैंसिल आउट. तो वी कैन जस्ट राइट r1 बाय r2 का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू r1 by r2 का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 3. तो दिस implies r1 is to r2 equal to root 3 is to 1. It is in the option number A. तो 40 का आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन A. Okay. Now which question you found the most difficult? Just comment in the comment section. And if you just understand all the questions properly, to like this video. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.